Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited because I am bringing you yet another room tour. Okay, I am in another city for a work trip. I am in the city of Chicago. Okay, and you guys, my company put me up in the most beautiful hotel, boutique hotel, and so I have to give you guys this room tour. I have to show you. So I am staying at the Sophy Hotel in Hyde Park, you guys, and chef's kiss. Okay, this is 100% my type of vibe, 100%. So let's go ahead and get into this tour. Okay, you guys, so when you first walk in, I mean, this view is amazing. Okay, so let's take step by step. First of all, I love this, and I thought about getting this in my home. This is like a coat rack, but you know, you can put it up and then it's like a piece of artwork, but then you can take it down and hang keys or coats on it. I think it's so cute. I really thought about getting this in my home, and now that I see it, I don't know. I might have to figure out where it could go. I love this little area right here. It's like a little nook, and it looks like, you know, just like a bookshelf. It gives me like executive vibes, you know what I'm saying? Like, it looks so good. Don't worry about my suitcase, y'all. Y'all know I'm a little bougie. My suitcase got a raincoat, okay? But we try and keep it clean. I just got this. So yeah, let's go into the room. Like, okay, y'all. This seating area, this velvet couch, and this is actually a pull-out couch, okay? This is a vibe. This is a vibe. Look at the light fixture. This is such a vibe. You got a king-size bed. Look at the artwork. Look at the tray lighting. Y'all know I'm a sucker for lightings. Like, this is so cute. The bed is so comfortable. It looks a little wrinkled because yes, I was sleeping in it, okay? It's so comfortable. And this wall decor, like, this really is giving me some inspiration in terms of what I want to do to my bedroom, because my bedroom still has not been completed. But I just love the oversized decor. It looks so good. Love the windows and the tray lights at the top. And here we have I think that's the heating and cooling system. We have a good mirror. We love a good mirror. Okay, desk area. This is my bag, y'all. Ain't she cute? I've been getting a lot of compliments on my bag. I love me some Michael Kors, but their new stuff is fire, so check out Michael Kors. Actually, I have no idea what's under here. Okay, we got some cabinet areas. Put your shoes or whatever. Love the decor that's here. I think this actually works, you guys. So they got some music. Oh, that's fire. Wait, so can I play music? Hold on, we about to, let me check this out. Let me see if we can actually play music. Hold on. Y'all, I never used a record player before. This is so cool. That's wild. I was like, did I do it right? That's so crazy, y'all. Y'all can listen to music. I've never used a record player before. That's cool. Ugh. Okay, this room just got 10 times better because this is really cool. Okay, that was really cool. I've never used a record player before. Wow. Wow, look at this carpet. This carpet is fire. It really is fire. It really is fire. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, so then we have this wardrobe, which of course, love me a good wardrobe, you guys. So cute. Of course, they have laundry services. They have irons. They have steamers. And this steamer works really, really well. So, love it, love it, love it. Back over here at the bar. And there's a refrigerator under here. But you know, y'all, this isn't even the best part. And I love the window. I'm looking at a parking lot, though. I don't really have a cute view. Oh, here I am again. Hello, hello. But this is not even the best part. The best part is what I'm about to show y'all. This bathroom. Okay, let's get into this bathroom. Like, look at this. I'm such a sucker for art pieces, abstract art. Look at the floors, you guys. Look at the vanity. Like, it's so beautiful, y'all. This shower is to die for, okay? Water pressure on 100. Like, when I tell you I took the best shower, oh my goodness. If y'all are in Chicago, okay, stay at the Sophy Hotel because this is the only hotel I will be staying at when I come back to visit for work.